To activate your new Monzo debit or credit card, follow these simple steps. First, download and install the Monzo mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once installed, log into your Monzo account using your username and password. Next, tap on the card icon at the top of the home screen. This will take you to the card details page. Here you will see an option to activate your new card. Tap on this option and confirm that you want to activate the card. You will then be asked to enter the last 6 digits of your new card number. This is a security measure to ensure the card is being activated by the correct person. Enter the digits carefully and tap confirm. Your new card will now be activated and ready to use. You can verify this by checking the card details page again, where you should see that the card is now active. It's also a good idea to set up a PIN for your new card to add an extra layer of security. To do this, go to the card details page and tap on the PIN option. Follow the instructions to set up a new PIN. As a best practice, make sure to keep your card and PIN details safe and secure. Never share your PIN with anyone and always keep your card in a safe place. By following these steps, you can easily activate your new Monzo debit or credit card and start using it right away. If you have any issues or concerns, you can contact Monzo customer support for assistance.